Hi, I'm Mike with Turbo Marketing, and yes, I'm wearing this Santa hat. That's because it's December, and we all know December is one of the hardest months to produce customers and deals. You're competing with everybody out there who's trying to sell something because it's Christmas, it's the holidays, New Year's celebration. Plus, people are busy this time of year with the cooking, the shopping, the cleaning, and getting ready for parties and whatnot. This is truly one of the hardest times of the year to cut through all that other marketing and advertising noise in an attempt to get your message across. We don't say this too often here at Turbo, but this month is actually one month where you should put all your eggs into one basket. Let me explain. What I mean by that is if you're about to spend your marketing dollars and try to compete with all the other retailers, your marketing budget might end up like a small drop in a huge bucket. Your message is going to be very diluted. Our experience and our historical data show if you want to do any marketing in December, your best bet is to line up all your efforts the week between Christmas and New Year's Eve, which we traditionally call Boxing Week. We find that at this time, the potential customers are letting their guard down and taking a breather. The gifts are done, the visiting's done, and it's finally time to relax a little bit. Plus, many customers are out there looking and expecting a deal. Now, if you've seen our video from last month regarding the Black Friday advertising, it's kind of in the same category. You've got to amp up the fun factor and get the hype going in your communications, because if you just come out here giving prices and incentives and talk about a winter tire giveaway, well, guess what? Your message is going to go right over a lot of your customers' heads. Now, here at Turbo, we've helped many dealers master the Boxing Week game over the years by creating fun videos that bring a sense of fun and excitement. All that's left for you to do is to take that baton from the marketing into the dealership, bring the balloons, a festive environment, and bring a sense of celebration. If you do it right, you can produce your monthly numbers in those few short days. You'll be able to take the videos that we produce for you and send them out by email. It's ultra low cost and one of the most powerful things you can do to reach potential prospects. You'll also be able to use ringless voicemails and SMS to reach everybody out there for whom you don't have email access. But the best way to get huge excitement and hype for this event in your area is to use YouTube video ads and create a massive blitz that everyone in town is going to be talking about. Normally throughout the year, we target individuals who are online looking to purchase a vehicle. But during this 2, 3, 4, 5 days of that sweet spot you choose for your Boxing Week event, we're going to show your video ads to everybody in town 25 years and older. It's like when you used to do remotes 20 or 25 years ago, and everybody in the area who'd be listening to the radio would hear about your event. Same kind of thing, but using YouTube video ads. Look, if you're not happy with just crossing your fingers and hoping for the best this December, you better get your boxing extravaganza started. Watch the video examples we provided and see if it's something that you like. If it is, give Sean Casey a call at Turbo Marketing and we'll get your Boxing Week extravaganza rolling. And like Sean likes to say, let's sell some cars.